Right now we're looking at a property that is for rent, located at 6306 Kimble Mill. This is an Alamo Ranch subdivision. This is off Calabra Road and Alamo Parkway. There's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, approximate square footage 2,701. At the entry to this neighborhood, there's a swimming pool, the playground. We'll go in here and take a look at this. All the bedrooms are going to be upstairs. As we walk in here, you're going to have your dining room to the left. You got wood and tile down here, downstairs. The carpet's going to be upstairs. Big living area down here. There's going to be another one upstairs, which we'll look at in a second. Open floor plan here, as you can see. Kitchen's right up here to your right with the gas cooking. Plenty of cabinets there. Lots of countertop space as well. You could actually put some breakfast bars here, maybe make an eating area there. There's another eating here, area right here, breakfast area. Back through this little hallway, you're gonna have your garage. It does have a garage door opener. Also has a water softener. Half bath right here. This is in the North Side ISD. As I said, square footage approximately 2,701. It's built in 2006. Here's your second living area. You can call this a loft or a game room. So the master bedroom is going to be up at the front. All the other bedrooms are in the back, and we'll take a look at those in a second. One closet here. It does have a fan. Right into the master bath with your double vanities. Your choice of shower or bath. Toilet has its own little spot there. And another closet here in the bathroom. Bathroom is tiled, garden tub. Nice thing about this house also is that the laundry room is upstairs. It's easy to get all your clothes to where they need to go here, next to all the bedrooms. Here's the second bathroom. Good sized bathroom. It's also tiled, has a tub and shower combo in this one. 3 bedrooms here in the back. Here's the first one. These are carpeted, unlike the master. These bedrooms are different sizes. This one's approximately 11 by 11. This middle one here is approximately 14 by 11, a little bit longer. It does have a walk-in closet here. Also has a fan. One more bedroom over here by itself. This one's a little bit bigger, approximately 12 by 14. Also has a walk-in closet. So now that we've seen the inside, we'll take a look out in the backyard. Has a nice covered patio and a deck back there. If you're interested in this house, you have any questions, you can visit Liberty Management at 7217 Bandera Road. Their phone number is 210-681-8080. You can also call Mark Fee. Mark has quite a bit of information about this property. His phone number is 210-618-9161. There's nothing back there behind this house. Good sized yard. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening here. So there's a little bit of shade back here. Kind of nice out on the porch in the evening. So there's a look at this property, 6306 Kimble Mill in Alamo Ranch. This is off Calabria Road and Alamo Parkway, Alamo Ranch subdivision. Square footage approximately 2,701. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath in the Northside ISD. Thank you for watching.